Right, I'm just about to have the exhaust sorted out underneath, so we've got to try and get the front splitter off because that is too low to get on their ramp. I'm just taking the screws out of there on the other side. We'll see what else is holding this on and what mess is underneath it, shall we? See if it's mostly gravity. Nice. I need both hands for this. And there's just one more screw under there, holding the rest of that on. I think there's some glue. That's going to take some peeling. Yeah, it's taking all the paint off as well, so probably going to need another lip kit on there at some point. I'll get the rest off once this is lifted up, because it's literally, I can't even get my hand under there.